Welcome to Waterfall, a true lifestyle offering in a premium location on the edge of Centennial Park, with world-class facilities within 3 kilometers of Sydney CBD. A well-proportioned 3-bedroom apartment northeast facing with direct city and park views. Floor-to-ceiling windows brings extra natural light, which will help you to relax the rest of your day. This premium location you can really immerse yourself within. A very rare offering and something you really need to come and experience for yourself. The rooftop terrace offering the rooftop cinemas, which is very rare to offering in a residential building like this. The north side, we got the city views, east facing, we can see the rest of the Centennial Park. And then the southern part, we can see the Pony Bay as well.